Hello students, this is Vishan sir. This is my fourth video. In the previous lecture, we have seen the starting of second chapter, utility analysis. In this chapter, we have seen what is utility, what is want, what is the definition given by Stanley Jones of utility, okay, and how we also have seen how the utility changes from age, gender, season, habits, culture. After that, very important question, different features of utility we have seen. There are 10 features of utility. Yes, utility is a relative concept, utility is a subjective concept, utility is ethically neutral, utility differs from usefulness, utility is differ from pleasure, utility is differ from satisfaction. The measurement of utility is hypothetical, utility is multi-purpose, utility depends upon the intensity of want, and number 10th is utility is the basis of demand. That much we have seen in my previous video number 3. But in this fourth video, we will see the different types of utility. So I hope you have gone through the important features of utility. So if you know the features of utility, you can easily understand the types of utility very easily, very simple. Okay. So there are 6 types of utility. And what is utility? Already we have seen in the meaning and definition of utility. What is utility? Utility is a want satisfying the power of commodity. Okay, the commodity which satisfy the human wants, it is called as utility. Okay, so there are 6 types of utility. Number 1, form utility. Okay. You can see in the video. Form utility, place utility, service utility, knowledge utility, possession utility, and time utility. This here your sequence of the type is a little bit changed or we can say the sequence of the types of utility is form utility, place utility, time utility, service utility, knowledge utility, and possession utility. Okay, let us see one by one. Sequence doesn't matter. See, the first type of utility is form utility. Even the word says its meaning, form. Form means shape, size. Okay, so form utility means the utility arises, utility increases due to change in shape, size, color of the commodity. It is called as form utility. Okay, it is called as form utility. For example, a plain wood, a piece of wood does not have any utility for the society. But if the same piece of wood converts into small chairs, tables, door, windows, so it has more utility for the society because everybody uses the chair to sit. Okay, windows, doors, all these are useful for the society. So form utility means when the utility increases or utility is created due to change in shape or structure or size or color of the commodity. It is called as form utility. Okay, so first example I have given, a piece of wood converts into chair. Second example, we can say the toy is made from the clay. Okay, the toy is made from the plastic. Okay, so a piece of plastic does not have any utility for the society, but if the same plastic converts into small toys, so toys has more utility for the small children. They will play with toys. Okay, so in this way, when the commodity converts into in a proper shape, size, color, so it is called as form utility. Okay. Third example, we can say a fabric converts into shirts, dress materials, so it has more utility. A bundle of fabric does not have any utility, but if the tailor converts into proper shape, size, proper form, so it becomes shirt. So shirt is useful for the people to wear it. Dress material is useful for the society to wear it. So the utility increases because of change in shape, size, color of the commodity. It is called as form utility. Okay, students, the second type of utility is place utility. Place. See, in the previous lecture we have seen the features of utility. The first feature, it was utility is a relative concept. So in this explanation we have seen utility changes from time to time and place to place. So whatever explanation we have seen there, utility changes from place to place. The same thing we have to learn here, that is place utility. That's why I have asked in the beginning of the lecture, if you understood the different features of utility, you can easily write the different types of utility. Okay, so second types of utility is place utility. It means utility increases due to change in place of utilization. It is called as place utility. Okay, for example, apple. When the apple transported from Kashmir to Mumbai, so it has more utility. Yes, when the apple transported from Kashmir to Mumbai, so it has more utility. Okay, because Kashmir is a place and Mumbai is also one place, and apple is a commodity, but apple has less utility in Kashmir and apple have more utility in Mumbai. Why? Because of this transportation, because of transfer of goods. Okay, so utility increases due to change in place of utilization. It is called as place utility. And who creates the place utility? The transportation creates the place utility. Transportation creates the place utility. Okay. Second example given in your textbook, the woolen clothes have more utility at the cold places rather than at the warm places. Same example. Either you write the example of apple or you can write the example of woolen clothes. Okay. So transport creates the place utility. If there is no transport, how the apple will be transported from the Kashmir to Mumbai? So transport plays a very important role in the place utility. Okay. You can see the picture given in your mobile screen, that is Alfonso mangoes, which is very famous, that is Ratnagiri mangoes, export to the other countries. Okay, these yellow color boxes are nothing but it is a mango box, and it is famous in Ratnagiri mango. So when the Ratnagiri mango transport from India to other countries, so it has more utility. So it is called as place utility, because the commodity changes its place from one place to another place. One place is India and second place is other countries. It may be America, it may be other countries, rest of the world. Okay, so utility of the mango increases due to change in place of utilization. It is called as place utility. Okay, so I have given 3 examples of place utility. One example of apple from Kashmir to Mumbai. Second example, woolen clothes from cold place to warm place. And the third example, Ratnagiri hapus. Alfonso means hapus. Ratnagiri hapus from India to America. So it is a place utility. Okay, but you write any one example in the exam, board exam. Okay, student. Let us move towards the third type of utility, that is service utility. Service utility. It means when the utility increases due to rendering service by the professionals, rendered by the various professionals. It is called as service utility. For example, doctor, teachers, lawyers, engineers, CA, all these are professionals. So when they give service to their customer, service utility arises, service utility increases. Okay, so in this service utility we can say many examples. Doctor take care of their patients, teacher teaches to their students, the lawyer deals with the client, okay, the engineer work for their company. So all these are professionals, and the service utility increases due to service rendered by these various professionals. It is called as service utility. Okay, see, you can see the picture of doctor given in your textbook, a very nice picture. When the doctor take care of their patient, so it is a service utility. Okay, now moves towards the fourth type of utility, is knowledge utility. Even the word says its meaning, knowledge. Knowledge means here training. Okay, when a consumer acquires knowledge about the particular product, it is called as knowledge utility. Now we can modify this sentence. If the person does not know how to operate the mobile phone, so he does not have any utility of the mobile phone, because he does not know how to operating the mobile phone. But as soon as some other person giving knowledge to him how to operate the mobile phone, some other person giving training to him how these mobile phones are functioning, so as soon as he gets the proper knowledge of that product, yes, he has some utility of the commodity. Okay, so it is called as knowledge utility. Okay, for example, utility of a mobile phone or a computer increases when a person knows about its various functions. Yes, if you don't know how to operate the mobile phone, you will not demand for the mobile phone. But if anyone give you proper training, proper knowledge about that phone or computer, then you have utility of the computer or phones, because you know the proper functions of the mobile phone or computer. So who gives the knowledge and training will gives you the knowledge utility. Okay, so who creates the knowledge utility? The training creates the knowledge utility. Okay, let us quickly recall who creates. The shape, size and color creates the form utility. Second type is place, so transportation creates the place utility. The third one is service, So the professionals creates the service utility, and the fourth one is the knowledge utility, that is the training creates the knowledge utility. Okay, you can see the picture one grandmother, yes, playing with her grandchild with the help of mobile. So she is giving knowledge to, sorry, the grandchild gives knowledge to his grandmother how to operate the mobile. So it creates the knowledge utility. You can see the picture, very beautiful picture given in your mobile screen. Okay, now let us see the fifth type of utility, that is possession utility. What is possession utility? Even the word says its meaning. Possession means the transfer of ownership rights from one place to another place. It means the possession utility increases or arises due to change in ownership rights from one person to another person. Okay, for example, from producer to the producer, from producer to the consumer, from the seller to the household. So utility of the commodity increases due to change in ownership rights from producer to the consumer. Okay, you can see in your picture a fruits vendor selling the fruits to the children. So when the fruits are there in her shop, so it does not have an utility. But if she the fruit vendor sell fruits to the consumer or the buyer, it has greater utility. Okay, so the ownership of transfer rights creates the possession utility. Okay, so whatever example is given in your textbook, I just read the textbook example. For example, transfer of goods from seller to buyer. Okay, apart from this example, let us see the second example of possession utility. Okay, possession utility means when the seller sells commodity to the buyer, or the possession utility increases when the ownership rights of goods transfer from one person to another person. So let us see the second example. Suppose a builder makes the flats, but he does not make flat for himself. He is making buildings, flats for consumer. So the utility of these flats increases when the builder's rights transfer from builder's possession to the consumer possession. So when the consumer comes in the building and take the possession of their flat, so in this way the possession utility arises. If the consumer does not go there to stay in the flat, there is no utility of that flat, there is no utility of that building. And when the consumer occupy the flat, the consumer living there, so it is called as possession utility, because the builder gives possession to the buyer, the builders give possession to the consumer, so it is called as possession utility. Okay, so I have given two examples in this possession utility. One is an example of a textbook, transfer of goods from one seller to another buyers, so it is a transfer utility. Okay, so the next one is number 6th one is time utility. Okay, before going to see the time utility, you can see the meaning. Before going to see the six type of utility, that is time utility, let us recall in the first features of utility. Utility is a relative concept, so I have given the explanation. Okay, why it is a relative concept? Because it is changes from time to time and place to place. So what explanation we have seen in the feature, this is the same with these types. Okay, so the types of utility, the sixth one is time utility. Okay, it means the time utility increases due to change in time of utilization. It is called as time utility. Okay, for example, a nice example given in your textbook, that is blood bank. Okay, you can see the blood bank. The blood bank store the blood from the different people, and they utilizes the blood at the time of emergency. So there are two times. One, there is a good time when the blood bank collect the blood from the other people, and if there is an emergency time, the blood bank utilizes that blood bags at the time of emergency. So it is a proper use of time. Okay, during good time the people donates the blood, and during the emergency time the people need the blood. So what is this? It is called as time utility. Okay, second example, we can see warehouse. So when there is a bumper crop, when there is a good crop in the agriculture, the government store all these crop in a warehouse. And when there is an emergency time, when there is a scarcity of food, the government opens the door of warehouse. So it is also proper use of time. It is called as time utility. Why? Because when there is a good period, that is good crop, government store the food grains in the warehouse. Warehouse means godowns, stock. And at the time of emergency of the food, at the time of scarcity of food, government open the door of warehouse so that the people can purchase the food grains. So it is also proper use of time. So it is called as time utility. Okay, students. Our third example, we can see a student has more utility for the textbook during the examination than in the vacation. Yes, this example is very suitable for you people, because you people read the textbook at the time of examination, and you become very lazy during the vacation time. So again, there is a proper use of time, proper utilization of time. Okay, the student have more utility for the textbook during the examination rather than in the vacation. Okay, you can also write the third example also. Okay, student. So in this way we have done the different types of utility. Let us quickly revise. Types of utility, there are 6 types of utility: form utility, place utility, service utility, knowledge utility, position utility, and time utility. Yes, when the commodity change into proper shape and size, it is called as form utility. Example, we can say wood, yes, clay, plastics converts into proper shape, size, it is called as form utility. You can see the picture. Okay, second, place utility. When the commodity transport from one place to another place, it has greater utility. It is called as place utility. Okay, and transport creates the place utility. Third is service utility. When the professionals like doctor, teachers, lawyer give service to their customer, to their client, it is called as service utility. The professionals creates the service utility. Number 4, knowledge utility. Yes, a training, advertisement gives proper knowledge, it is called as knowledge utility. The training and advertisement creates the knowledge utility. Okay. and number fifth is possession utility. When the ownership rights transfer from one person to another person, from consumer to buyer, it is called as possession utility. So ownership rights creates the possession utility. And number sixth is last but not the least, that is time utility. Yes, it is arises at the time of utilization. It is called as time utility. So warehouse creates the time utility. Because of warehouse, the government use the proper use of time, proper utilization of time. So in this case, I have given three examples. One example of blood bank, one example of test book during the examination, and third example of warehouse. At the good time, government store the food grains. At the bad time, government release the food grains to the public welfare. So it is a time utility. Okay, student. So in this way, types of utility we have done in this video. Okay. Now let us move. Okay, one exercise given in your this shaded area. Try this. The following are the various types of utility and their respective examples. Arrange the information in the form of pairs. Okay. In this exercise, we cannot say this exercise, it is just a type of recapitulation, revision. Okay. Time utility, position utility, service utility, and place utility. In this, there are four types are given. A dentist giving dental treatment to the patient. So it is a service utility because a doctor take care of their patient. So dentist is also one doctor. So he is giving service to the patient. So it is a which type of utility? It is a service. It is a service utility. Okay. A mountaineer using oxygen cylinder at the high altitude. What is this? High altitude in the mountain. Okay. So which type of utility it is? It is a place utility because mountain, all these are place. A farmer selling rice stored in the warehouse at the end of the season. You can see warehouse word is there, farmer means agriculture is there, so you can guess this is the time utility. Okay. And the fourth one is a retail trader purchasing 100 chairs from the wholesale trader. So what is this? It is a possession utility because it is a transfer of 100 chairs from the wholesaler to retailer. So it is a possession utility. Okay, so you can just for recapitulation you can see. Okay, student. In the next topic is very vast, the concept of utility, that is total utility and marginal utility. One table is there, formula, many formulas are there, one table is there, one diagram is there. So I will give you the proper knowledge about this proper example in the next video, not this video. So it will take time. Okay, student, you just go through that much. In this video, different types of utility we have seen in detail with the proper example, and we have also revised the different features of utility. Okay, so these two important questions are there. So features of utility is a very important question, and different types of utility also very important short notes. Okay, you just go through that much, students. So and also you also take down some assignment because e-test book is already there with you. So in the next lecture I will teach you the concept of utility. Concept means what is the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Okay, so you just go through at home, you just read the points, total utility and marginal utility. Okay, with the proper formula. Okay, so in the next video we will see the concept. So if you have any doubt regarding these two topics, that is features of utility and types of utility, you can clear your doubt with the help of WhatsApp. Okay student, any word you don't understand, feel free to ask. Okay student, I stop my video here. In the next video we will see the concept of utility, very important question. Okay, thank you class, thanks students.